we're going to talk about a couple of properties of matter, okay? Just 3 of them, okay? 3 properties of matter. Okay, we're going to talk about magnetism. You know what magnets are? Magnets, density, solubility. Okay, I wrote them down right here so you can see them. You got magnetism, solubility, and density. Okay, we're going to talk about what those are. Okay, and I know you know magnets, so we're going to start with the other 2. Let's start with density. Okay, so density, remember when we talk about matter, there are lots of little tiny pieces and parts. You ready? Hey. Come on. Okay, when we're talking about matter, there's lots of little tiny pieces and parts of everything. Okay, so when you talk about like a piece of metal or something, right? You got lots of little tiny pieces that are too small for our eye to see. Okay, so when we have all these little pieces of that piece of metal and they are all spread out, it's like they're super relaxed. Okay, but when they start packing in more tightly, remember when we talk about especially when matter starts to get cold, it starts to scrunch in and everything starts getting all tight. Now they're all smashed in, right? That is density. That's when it's dense. And some things are denser than others, okay? So these little styrofoam pieces, are they really soft? They're pretty soft. You can smash them pretty easy. Huh. Easy. Okay, what about wood? How easy is wood to break? It's not always about breaking, but a lot of the time you can see, if I push on it with my nail, you can see I can put a dent in that, right? Some woods you can't do that. Some are more dense, and it makes it harder to put a mark in them, right? So this wood is more dense than the styrofoam. Okay? Which one is harder, wood or metal? Wood is harder, or is it softer? Yeah, the metal. If I try to put my fingernail in there and make a mark in it with my, oh, no way. No way. It is too dense. Too hard. No way I'm going to put a mark in that with my fingernail.
Density.
Density, exactly. That is density, okay? So when we're talking about density, it's how packed all those little tiny pieces are, and when they smash together, it makes them really hard, like a piece of metal or other things like that. And when they spread all the way apart and there's lots of holes in the middle, it's more like one of these pieces of foam, because you can smash it. You can always smash them and they still kind of pop back up. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, so that's density. Okay, now we're going to take these and we're going to talk about solubility. Okay, yeah? You want to take, okay, so this is acetone. It is stinky. So, I've only got a little bit in there. Solubility. Okay. Solubility means that something will disappear and mix in with something else. Disappear for effect. Yeah, you want to mix it? Okay, watch. I'm going to put this. You want to put that inside? That one? Okay. What's happening? See all the little bubbles on the bottom? This stuff might even be more dense than the other stuff. I only have just a little bit. Okay, it's starting to dissolve in there. I wonder if the other stuff would work faster though. You can see it really clear. See that? It's eating it. It's dissolving. It's making it go away inside of it. Whoa, that's way fast. It's dissolving. It disappears.
Dissolving.
And it'll mix into it, right? See that?
There goes that one.
There goes that one. Oh, there it goes. And if we keep on mixing, and we keep on mixing, and we keep on mixing, and we keep on mixing, eventually that little part that's left in there, it'll just go away. It'll just disappear. Is that a physical change or chemical change?
Physical change. Chemical change?
Yeah, it's chemical. Because it creates a new substance as it dissolves in there. Okay? It's a chemical thing. It's eating it away. So, but we'll also talk about that again here in a second. Okay, ready? So that is solubility. Something will dissolve into something. We're going to do some more on that. And magnetism, you know magnets. You like magnets?
You like magnets?
Yeah, magnets are fun, huh? Okay, magnets. You know what magnets are. Yep, when they're attracted to each other, especially with metals and things like that, they'll stick together, right? Okay, so we're going to play with that too. Yep, so we got density, solubility,
Solubility.
magnetism.
Magnetism.
You want to make some slime?
Slime.
Let's make some slime.
Slime green.
Mm-hmm. Okay. You ready? So I'm going to take some of this, kind of pour it in here because I only have a half a bottle of this left. Okay. I want it to kind of absorb into it and start pulling all this glue out because we want a glue and water mix. You want to shake it? Okay. Glue and water mix. And we'll make this the glue and water mix, okay? And then in this one, I'm going to do this one, okay? This one is borax. I'm just going to do a little bit of borax. Okay?
Wait. Say that again?
Wait, say that again. This is borax I'm going to put in that water. And then we've got this one that we're going to put over here, okay? Nice, that came out good.
Nice, that came out good.
That's a good one. We can work with that. Okay. Wait. Okay. Yep, I'll let you stir this one. But let me put this in here first, okay? This is the first time we've done this, so hopefully it'll turn out alright. Okay. Now stir it. There we go. Okay. What is this? Is this magnetism, solubility, or density?
Solubility?
Because it's dissolving. Good job. See? And the more you keep stirring, the more it's going to get lighter and lighter and lighter, and it's going to start looking like it's just regular water again, right? And that's because the borax is going to just completely disappear inside of it. And that is chemical change. Because the water and the borax mix and they create a new substance. Okay? So that's a chemical change. What color do we want to make our slime? Green.
Slime green.
Slime green. Like in Minecraft.
Minecraft.
Yep. Okay. Let's see.
In Minecraft.
Let's put a couple drops in here. Let's say 3 drops, okay? Can you put 3 drops in here? So, just squeeze it a little bit. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, stop. It's going to be pretty green. Okay, now we're going to use, I don't want to put it in yet because I'm afraid it'll start the reaction early. Yeah. We've got another one over here. Wait, I'll give you a little wood piece so you're not using the metal in there. There you go. There you go. That looks pretty green. That looks like a pretty cool green color. You liking it?
I like it.
Good, good, good. Okay. All right. Okay, so here we have our borax. And then in there, we have the glue. Okay. And when we mix them together, we should start getting some slime here. Okay. I'm going to put this back here. Okay. You ready? Okay. I'm going to start mixing it in here. So I'm going to put this in here. I almost like that little green part. Okay. You ready? Okay. Keep mixing, and I'll pour it in a little bit. Okay. Mix, 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 mix. I'll mix this in. See? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! There it goes.
Slime it?
Uh-huh.
Slime green?
Yep, mix it in.
Again?
Again? Okay. Nice, that looks so cool. Okay, keep mixing. And pretty soon it'll all be one big ball of slime. Woohoo! Yeah, there it is. That's a goopy ball of slime. That's pretty good.
Minecraft.
Yeah, I like the slime in Minecraft.
And that's the winner in Minecraft.
Minecraft. Nice. Alright, should I pull it out? Yep. Came off pretty clean. Whoa. Yeah, that was good. That's some pretty good firm little slime. That's pretty good. You like it? Watch. Okay. So we can make a little more interesting piece of slime out of this stuff. This is where science gets fun. Okay? So we can take our slime and do all kinds of stuff to it. Squish it, smash it, change its shape, stretch it, break it. You can do all kinds of stuff. It's almost too firm, it seems like. But that is so fun to squish. That's pretty dang good. Okay, so, watch. So we can take these. It's almost so thick. I wonder how it's going to turn out. You want to do Bora Bora Blue or Liquid Metal Pearl? Liquid Metal Pearl?
Liquid metal pearl?
Okay. Let's see what this is going to look like. It's going to make like little ripples. We only need just a tiny, tiny bit. Just that much. That should actually make quite a bit. It's going to make some cool little shiny spots inside of it. Yeah. Let's see what we got. Whoa, look at that. See?
Look at that. Holy cow.
Yep. Yeah, the camera's not going to pick that up, but there's sparkles all over my hand. Huh.
Holy cow.
That's pretty cool, huh? Okay, so is that a chemical reaction or a physical reaction?
Physical.
Yes, physical. Because it didn't combine, it just mixed in with the rest of it, right? It's just like cutting them up into little pieces and doing all kinds of stuff like that. Okay. So,
You finished.
this is so thick, I don't know how well this is going to work. Okay? We're going to try one more thing.
One more thing.
Oh, you can see some of this. Some of this is in here. Little shiny swirls. So I'm going to go like this, okay? Just take this part off. Okay? Yeah, I know, I'm getting green on my fingers. We're going to look like Kermit the Frog. Hey-ho.
Muppet.
Yeah, Muppets. Okay, so I'm going to take this. This is called magnetite. Magnetite is used in a lot of little game pieces and stuff like that. I don't think you've seen them though, because they were popular when I was young. And basically, when you put a magnet on them, oh, this is so thick, I don't know it's going to mix in very well. Whoa, I should have made that thinner. So, I think we're going to have to make another batch to try this. We'll see how it works anyway. Watch this. Okay, ready? Where's our magnet? Tell these little particles. There, see it's pulling on it a little bit, see that? So now our slime, see, there's not a lot in yours. And we can't really mix it in very good, very easily right now, because it's like, I got it. Oh, and then he
So
flops.
close.
And then, oh, and then he
So
flops.
close.
And then, so it's sticky and it's magnetic, so it'll stick on there pretty good. Let's see if we can get this little side to stick up. That's pretty cool. So we've got another physical reaction, right? Because it didn't actually mix into everything else. Because you can see all these little pieces, right? So as you look at them, you can see all the little pieces of the magnetite inside of it. Did it dissolve or no?
Yes. Design?
What?
What?
Did the magnetite dissolve or can you still see it?
Let's see it.
Yeah, you can still see it.
I
So
can see it. So.
if you can still see it, it was only a physical reaction. It's not being absorbed, right? So this is not solubility, right? So all these things, you can combine them, you can do all kinds of stuff. We mixed water and borax and glue, and they made something new with the slime. And you can keep combining stuff. Sometimes they're soluble and sometimes they're not. Okay? Was this a pretty cool experiment? Keep it pretty simple, right? Is that pretty cool? I'm pretty sure you're enjoying it. Did you like making slime? Hey Chris. Hey Chris. Hey Chris. Hey Chris. Hey Chris. Did you like making slime? Hey. Hey. Hey Chris. Did you like making slime?
You like make this one.
You like playing with the slime now? That's pretty cool. I did not expect you to want to play with it this much.
And play with the slime.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Cool. Did you have fun with science today?
Do you have fun with science today?
Yeah, buddy. Cool. All right.